Put Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Relax. Let us chant Omkara 3 times. Inhale. Om. Inhale. Inhale. Repeat after me. Yogena chittasya padena vacha malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarotam pravaram munina patanjalim pranjalim anatosmi nityam harihi om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Take both hands behind your back. Hold right wrist with left palm. Inhale and go back. Exhale, bend forward. Pay your respects to Mother Earth, parents, teachers, God and Guru. Slowly inhale and come back. Good morning. Welcome to yoga classes, Yoga Jyoti yoga classes. Today we will do meditation, dhyana. So before we start meditation, close your eyes and sit silently for 2 minutes. Sit silently for 2 minutes. Close your eyes. Relax. Sit relaxedly. Relax. 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 Relax your mind. Relax your body. Relax yourself. Relax, relax, relax. Settle down your mind. Settle down your mind. Relax. Tell to your mind that for the next 30 to 40 minutes, you will be doing meditation. So, all the other things have to wait. You are doing meditation to for peace of mind. All the problems of the world has to wait. For the next 40 minutes, forget about everything. Whatever you think is there in the world for you, you put it aside for next 40 minutes. Relax. Relax, relax, relax. Relax your mind, relax your body. For the next 30 to 40 minutes, forget about whatever is there in the world. Let it not disturb you. Tell your mind that you are going to do meditation for peace of mind. Relax, relax, relax. Relax your mind, relax your body. Close your eyes, sit relaxedly for 1 minute. Observe your breathing. Relax, relax, relax. Observe your breathing. Sit silently, close your eyes. Observe your breathing. Breathing happens automatically. It's a continuous process. Breath goes inside and comes outside. It's an involuntary process. Just be aware of the breathing. Breathing happens continuously like a pendulum. It comes outside, 6 inches outside of your nostrils, and it reverses its direction and goes inside the nostrils into your lungs. You can feel it up to the center of the chest. There it reverses its direction and comes out through the nostrils. Outside of the nostrils, 6 inches, it goes outside. Exhalation. And it reverses its direction. Goes inside, 6 inches inside, up to the heart, up to the center of the chest, and reverses its direction, comes outside. Again, it reverses its direction, goes inside, up to the heart, reverses its direction, comes outside. Keep doing this pendulum. Don't change the pattern of the breathing. Don't change. No need to do deep breathing or shallow breathing. Just the natural breathing, whatever it is. Follow the path of the breathing. Just know that you are breathing and you follow the path of the breathing. Natural breathing, relaxed breathing. Follow the path of the breath. Follow the pendulum of breathing. Sit silently, close your eyes, relax, observe your breathing. Breath goes inside and comes outside. Observe the pendulum of the breathing. Breathing happens automatically. Natural breathing, gentle breathing. Don't change the pattern of the breathing. Whatever be the natural breathing, follow it. Sit silently, close your eyes, relax. Observe your breathing. Natural breathing, relaxed breathing. Breathing happens automatically, involuntarily. You do not breathe. Breathing happens. Breathing happens like a pendulum. It goes outside the nostrils, 6 inches from the nostrils, and then it reverses its direction, goes inside the nostrils, goes up to the heart, center of the chest, 6 inches inside the nostrils, reverses its direction, comes outside, again reverses its direction, goes inside, up to the center of the chest, reverses its direction, goes outside. This is a continuous process. Without your knowledge, it goes on and on and on. Bring it to your knowledge. Be with that. Instead of thinking about all the things in the world, just know this thing only. Inhalation and exhalation. It happens automatically, involuntarily. Just passively observe. Relaxedly observe. Breathing goes inside, observe. Up to the center of the chest, observe. comes outside, observe. Observe, it is coming outside. Again, it reverses its direction, goes inside. Goes inside up to the heart, observe. Reverses, observe. Comes outside, observe. Gentle observation, not a focus, not a concentration. Don't focus, don't concentrate. Gentle observation. As you keep on observing the breathing, the mind becomes calmer, quieter, slower. All the unnecessary thoughts are stopped. Thoughts reduce in the mind. Gentle observation. Mind will create all objections to this. It will say it is boring. Why should I do? What is in it for me? What am I gaining? Let me get up and make that phone call. All these things mind will say. What happens today? What should I plan for today? All these things will come in the mind. I should be doing, after this class, I should be doing this, I should be doing that. All these things will be in the mind. Just for 1 hour, you suspend all thoughts. Let the world be as it is. You have nothing to do with the world. Suspend all mental activity, all the worldly activities for 30 to 40 minutes. Just be with the breathing. Regarding the world, you have the other 23 hours to look after that. So it can wait. The world and its activities can wait. Enjoy the breathing. Breathing is enjoyable. It is fulfilling. Breathing is enjoyable. Breathing is fulfilling. When you inhale, when the lungs are filled up, you feel fulfilled. Follow the path of the breathing. Mind will go here and there. Do not be angry with the mind. Gently bring it back onto the breathing. Don't be angry. Don't be irritated if the mind is going here and there. Again and again, again and again, bring it back onto the breathing. Be patient. Suddenly, you cannot be a master of everything. Gently, step by step, you have to develop this peace. There is no hurry. Everything else can wait. Breathing happens naturally, automatically, involuntarily. Be with the breath. Breathing goes inside and comes outside. Be with the breath. No need to think of anything else. Just be with the breath. natural breathing. Keep your mind on the breathing. Know that you are breathing. That's all you have to do. As you do this, the breathing becomes slower and slower. Mind becomes calmer and quieter. Keep your eyes closed. Sit relaxedly. Stop the breath observation. Sit silently. Enjoy the peace of mind. Sit silently. Gently enjoy the breathing. Enjoy the peace of mind. Rub your palms, generate heat, make a cup shape, put it on your eyes, give warmth to the eyes. With few blinks, open your eyes, remove your hands. How was the meditation? Anybody wants to say something? Was that peaceful?
Yes, sir, it was peaceful.
Okay. Who was that?
Kamala.
Okay, fine. Were you able to do properly?
My mind was going here and there, but I was trying to get back it on the breathing.
Okay. 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 Anybody had any were able to do properly? Was it a difficult thing to do, or was it peaceful? How is it?
Same, sir. Like thoughts were coming and going, and it was quite difficult to concentrate on the breathing.
Hmm.
So then and there, but we come back. But after doing, there is some kind of peace of mind, what I can observe.
Okay, fine. Is it something difficult to do, or is it easier to do? Anybody else
Yes.
want? Yeah.
This meditation actually it was difficult, sir. Previously, we have done different way. This practice I found it like difficult to focus actually.
Okay. Okay. How about others? Hitesha, how did you feel? What is your feedback?
Yes, sir. I felt peaceful and I feel good now. It was actually difficult for me to concentrate in the beginning, but later I tried to come back and I tried doing it.
Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. Helen Josephine, what is your feedback? Okay. Padmaji, what about you? Are you able to do?
Yes, sir. It was calm and relaxed feeling overall. Thoughts wise, I think hardly any kind of thoughts, because if you're just focusing on breath, I think the thoughts will just go on its own kind of thing. So
Okay. So you didn't find any difficulty?
no, sir.
Okay. Bharat, how about you?
Yes, it was good. I didn't forcefully stop any thoughts. I just let it pass through my mind, but I didn't concentrate on it. So it was good.
Okay, was that peaceful?
Yes, yes, very peaceful.
Okay. Raghavendra Rao?
Yes, sir. It was peaceful, sir.
Okay, fine. Sai Roja?
Yes, sir, it was peaceful, but yeah, controlling the mind, it was a bit difficult. But yes, sir, we could come to that.
Okay. Okay. Navya Teja.
Yes, sir. Namaste, sir.
Ah,
For
no.
me, sitting in Padmasana was a bit difficult, but breathing and all was fine.
I didn't say to sit in Padmasana. You could have
Yes.
as well sat in chair.
Yeah, I later on changed the position.
Ah, okay. Was it a difficult practice for you?
No, sir. Breathing and all, initially thoughts were coming, but then as I concentrated on breathing, everything was normal.
Ramakant?
Guruji, it was relaxing while the thoughts were there. I was trying to bring it back. Again, it went back, so it was a constant effort to bring it back. But at the end of it, it was peaceful. Only thing was the body posture. While I was sitting, it almost was crouching back, and then I was making it erect again. So that's the thought.
Okay. So overall, it was peaceful.
Yes, it was.
Okay, fine. Manasa?
Sir, there was a distraction in my concentration, though I tried to concentrate, but it was peaceful.
Okay, you paid attention. I said, don't concentrate, don't focus. Did you pay attention to that instruction?
Yes, sir.
So it's not about focusing or concentration. It is about just a gentle observation of the breathing. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Shashikalaji, how about you?
Yes, sir. It was good, sir. I am able to sit, sir. It was very peaceful and very calm.
Okay, thank you. Ashwini ji?
Yes, sir, it was easier for me to because you were constantly telling how to instructing. I didn't have my thoughts were all. I didn't get too many thoughts. It was easy for me. I felt really calm.
Okay. Jyotika ji, how about you?
Good morning, sir. I was actually totally zone. I had little thoughts coming to my mind, but it just vanished. I feel calm.
Okay, fine. Vinesh? Your voice is not audible.
From beginning, hello, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Sir.
Yes, Vinesh.
Yes, sir. Little bit also here and there, sir. Finally, it was good, sir.
Okay, fine. All right. Anybody has any question, they can ask me. Anybody has any question? All right. So let us close for the day. Put Namaskar Mudra. Close your eyes. Relax. Repeat after me. Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Yotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Keep your hands in blessing posture. Bless the world, bless the universe. Repeat after me. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Fold your hands, pray to God. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Repeat after me. I am not the body.
I am not the body.
I am not the mind.
I am not the mind.
I am not the intellect.
I am not the intellect.
I am pure consciousness.
I am pure consciousness.
Shivaswarupi.
Shivaswarup.
Shivoham.
Shivo.
Shivoham.
Shivo.
Shivoham.
Shivo.
Repeat after me. We will practice
We will practice
yoga
yoga
for a good physical health,
for a good physical health,
peace of mind,
peace of mind,
and clear intellect.
and clear intellect.
We will practice yoga
We will practice yoga
for Atma Jnana
Atma Jnana
and help others attain Atma Jnana.
and help others attain Atma.
Hari Om Tat Sat.
Hari Om.
Thank you very much. Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Thank you very much.